Look at this scene. It is a familiar sight across Idea, a street vendor weighing fresh guavas for his customers. For millions, the fruit is an inexpensive staple, deeply woven into the local culture. This chart compares the vitamin C content of a standard orange against a standard guava. The guava maintains a substantial lead, containing a higher concentration of the nutrient than the citrus fruit typically associated with it. There is a second historical detail often overlooked. Despite its ubiquity in the region, the guava is a foreign arrival. It is not native to India. The species evolved thousands of miles away, growing wild in the tropical forests and ancient landscapes of Mesoamerica. If its origins and nutritional profile are so different from public perception, we must look closer at the other hidden aspects of this fruit. The guava's presence in Indian markets today is the result of transoceanic travel and successful biological integration into a new environment. Centuries before global agriculture, guava trees thrived untamed across Central America and Mexico, surviving in diverse wild conditions. This map shows the historical shipping routes radiating from Central America. Over hundreds of years, explorers and traders carried these resilient seeds across oceans, eventually introducing them to the Indian subcontinent. The Indian climate provided the specific conditions the seed required to thrive. It adapted to the local weather and soil, leading to a rapid expansion of the tree population. This adaptation was so effective that India now stands as a leading global producer, harvesting millions of tons every year. The fruit's role in modern culture is the direct outcome of a quiet yet successful agricultural migration. The biological process begins with a single seed that grows into a mature tree, eventually producing fragrant white flowers. However, these flowers cannot develop into fruit independently. They require an external biological catalyst. This catalyst is provided by local insects. Bees land on the blossoms to feed, inadvertently transferring pollen between the stamens. This cross-pollination triggers a physical change within the blossom. The petals drop away, and the base of the flower swells, gradually maturing into the fruit. Every guava is the product of this necessary partnership between the tree and the local insect population. Guavas exhibit significant physical variety, ranging from green to yellow skins and varying in size from small spheres to the large varieties found in Thailand. The pink guava often causes confusion. Because of its vibrant interior, some assume the color is the result of human intervention or artificial additives. In reality, that pink hue is produced by natural pigments that develop within the fruit as it ripens on the branch. Within this flesh, the plant concentrates high levels of antioxidants and dietary fiber. The guava's structure facilitates seed protection and provides a dense source of nutrients to the animals that consume it. While the fruit is seasonal, the tree itself is long-lived. A healthy guava tree can produce fruit for several decades. Humans are only one part of this cycle. Wild birds and local animals also rely on the fruit for sustenance. These animals serve as natural dispersers. They consume the fruit and drop the seeds in new locations, facilitating new growth across the landscape. A person might eat a guava in minutes, but that moment is supported by months of biological development and a history of global travel. This fruit represents a legacy of global migration and a present defined by complex biological cooperation. Which of these facts changed your perspective on the guava? Share your thoughts in the comments as we continue to explore the hidden histories of the food we eat.